All right, Whitehorse. It was good knowing you. I can't believe I spent almost 2 weeks here. I kind of had to stay here because I was on call at the dealership since I didn't have an appointment. They were just calling me to come in whenever they had space, kind of thing. But I really have to thank Metro Chrysler for looking after me. It was so bizarre. It was kind of meant to be with them having the part in stock and everything. Like, nobody has the door slider actuator in stock ever. Like, what the heck? Anyhow, I'm glad it's fixed. Back on the road again. And I think we're heading into BC today. I think we're a little bit in and out. BC, Yukon, the way the road goes. But yeah, looking forward to being back on the road again. And my sliding door working. Yeah! Morning, Uma. And boom, just like that, we are no longer in the Yukon. Did about 5 hours of driving yesterday. Ended up here in Jade City. If you're Canadian, you might remember a show called Jade Fever, I think it was called. It was filmed here. I always thought it was in Alaska that it was filmed and they were doing all this jade mining and stuff. But yeah, here's some of the big jade rocks and stuff. There's the jade store if you remember the show. And here's the bear that everybody takes a picture of. But yeah, I'm still loving the cooler temperatures up here. It's been so nice not being 30-degree plus temperatures around here. I love it. Even up in the Arctic and in the Yukon. Uma. Yeah, even in the Arctic and the Yukon, it was beautiful temperatures. I hate being too hot, especially in the van. With it being black and everything, then it just gets too damn hot. So yeah, we are continuing on. I don't know where the heck I'm going yet. Just gonna try and find a rec site or a provincial park somewhere. I feel like spending a couple nights somewhere instead of just traveling and driving overnight. So yeah, we're gonna try and find a provincial park and hang out for a couple days. This road's getting dusty. All right, we'll see you at the next destination. That was the first time cleaning solar panels off since the dusty Dempster Highway. I don't know if it made a difference or not, but they look better. Let's go find out. Well, that definitely worked. I couldn't get it over 250 watts going into the Blue Eddy. Now it's over 300. Great, I'll take it. Shows what cleaning the dirt off the solar panels does. Some people don't believe that. Well, I think both Miss Uma and I are enjoying this place. I can't believe I slept until almost 9 o'clock this morning. That's crazy. I'm always up at 6:30, 7 o'clock. So, yeah, I must be liking it. And my stress is leaving me from all the things wrong with the van. And yeah, found something else out. I don't think it's just from the Dempster Highway. Yeah, I don't think it's from the Dempster Highway because I have 171,000 kilometers on it, but my brakes were squealing like crazy backing in here. So I made an appointment at Canadian Tire in Prince George for next Wednesday. So yeah, I can take my time being there. I think it's like a 9-hour drive to get there, so I'm going to drive a couple days, stop in between, obviously. But yeah, I'm really liking this place. I think I'm going to stay here for a couple more days, actually. And yeah, the weather's perfect. It was actually went down to 2 degrees overnight last night, which is pretty crazy for being August. But yeah, I just can't leave this place with the water lapping against the shore here and everything. Sorry, steep hill. I told you I was going to wipe out. But yeah, look at that. Not bad at all. Huh? Hey? I can handle this. It's not very busy at all. Kept both campsites beside me. Nobody's there, which is great. And yeah, like I said, I'm just loving this place. I can't leave yet, and I don't want to go back to warmer temperatures yet either. So I might as well stay here until I guess Sunday-ish, and then I'll start heading a little further southeast to get to Prince George by Wednesday. So I can get the brakes all fixed up. Yeah, got a lot of work to do, and I think something's making noise, my transmission or something. I think it's my flex plate is cracked again. That happened to me when I was out east years ago. It was still under warranty then, so this is going to cost me a few dollars. And I want to get the windshield replaced before I head south. And get my eyes checked. My glasses are all scratched up, so I need new glasses. So yeah, I kind of need to get back to Revelstoke in sort of mid to late August, so I can start buttoning things up, because you know it's only like, so if I get there in mid-August, it's only like 6 or 7 weeks that I got to do everything before I head south for the winter again. I can't believe how fast this season has gone in Canada, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm liking this place. Pretty cool. Anyhow, guys, I think that's it for this week. I've got the solar charging, got the Starlink set up. There's no cell service here whatsoever. So yeah, got everything all set up. I'm good to stay for a few more days. Anyhow, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.